everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do an eyeshadow look. This one is a quick look, but it's not as quick as some of the others because I'm going to be trying to show you different colors that you can use on your eyes as Eid is coming up, and I think now is a really good time to be showing people that if you're wearing this type of clothing or this colored clothing, then these are some eyeshadow looks you can do, and it will hopefully make it easier for them on Eid day or leading up to Eid day to find some looks with the clothes that they're wearing. For the look today, I'm going to be doing a maroon colored look based on my clothes. I will show you them now. So this is it. It's maroon white. It's got a little bit of pink or peach in the flowers, but a very dark. So with that said, let's get started. We're gonna start with primer, and you can do this look with or without primer depending on how long you want it to last. If you want it to last all day and all night, so with Eid you want your makeup to last all day and all night, so that's what we're aiming for today. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the Natasha Denona palette. I use a Sunrise palette, and we are going to start with the color Clove. And what we will do is we will go all over the eye with this color, the color Clove. We're going to get right into the crevices, all the nooks and crannies of the eye. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a lighter shade, so we will select Morgan here, and we're going to use that color to blend out the color above. And what that will do is that will make the transition of the non-eyeshadow part to the eyeshadow part look a lot smoother. The key to making your eyeshadow look like a professional has done it is the blending. And the more you blend, the better your shadow will look. Because it is an Eid function that we're gonna go to, that we are hypothetically going to, we will add a bit of black. So this is the Natasha Denona Blackest Black. And we will use the same brush and just put that in the corner here. I'm gonna put that in the corner here too. And it will darken the edge and make the eyeshadow look a bit more bold, which is what I really like in the look that I do for eyeshadow. Then we will clean the brush off, and then we will once again start the blending process. And once again, you don't want any harsh lines anywhere. You want it to all look like it's blended and one. So any bits that have gone over, we will clean that up later. And this side will do the same, just blend it out, go into the crease as well, and you'll see it's created this beautiful transition. Just anywhere it looks like it's not quite blended as well, just get the brush and swoosh swoosh swoosh. That's it. And then we will go in with a thinner brush like this. This is the Spectrum A13, and we will do the eyeshadow. You can use an eyeliner pencil for this if you like. I like the eyeshadow because it creates sort of a softer look. And we will very roughly just add a bit of black, and then we will go in with the first color Clove, and we will smudge it out. So you bring the eyeshadow all the way in, but you don't want the line to be so harsh that you can see it, but it adds a bit of depth. Now the final step we're going to do is add a bit of shimmer, and I think what we're going to go in with today is Poppy. And what I will do is I will just use my ring finger, and you only need a little bit, and you will dab that on. And you'll see that there's a really obvious line here. So then we will just go in with the eyeshadow brush and just blend it out. And this whole process doesn't take very long. It takes like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on your level of expertise. It doesn't take me that long. I am in no way an expert, but what I have learned over the years is how to do my eye makeup very quickly, because I don't have time to spend 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes doing an eyeshadow look. I have kids, I have work to do, I have things to pack, places to go. And to clean up, I'm going to use my makeup removing towel, and we're just going to remove just a little bit from the bottom, because we do want the eyeshadow to go a little bit under as well, and we don't want any sort of harsh lines. And then we're going to go in with the Maybelline eyeliner just to join the black, and then we'll use the finger to smudge it out. I'll even do my waterline. Then we're going to go in with the highlighter. I'm going to use a Rare Beauty one. We are going to do the brows. So doing that motion with this brush actually covers the eyebrows and holds them in shape. So that's my eyes done. And to complete this look, I'm going to use the Youngblood Luminous Cream Blush because I like to stay in theme with my eyeshadow. I am not one of those people who believes that if the eye is heavy, then the lip should be nude. And I'll show you how it looks on the back of my hand. That's the blush there. That's how it's gonna look on my skin, and it sets completely powdery. And the lipstick I'm gonna use is the Morphe Bloodshot. And that's the eyeshadow look done. I hope you found it interesting and informative, and I hope you liked what you saw. Thank you for watching.